So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can pin or unpin people on Snapchat. And for doing so, you first of all have to open the Snapchat app, and next you have to go to your conversations list or inbox. Now for pinning a person, you have to tap and hold on its name, and you will be popped up with these options. And after that, you gotta tap on the third option in this list, which is chat settings. So you gotta tap on chat settings, and here you get the option pin conversation. And as soon as you press the pin conversation button, then the conversation of this friend will be pinned at the top. And let me tell you that you can pin a maximum of 3 friends at a time. For example, if I want to pin this person too, I have to tap and hold on its name and go to chat settings and tap on pin conversation. And as you can see that these 2 people have got pinned in my conversations list. And now for unpinning these people, you gotta tap and hold again on his name and again go to chat settings, and here you get the option unpin conversation under clear from chat feed. So you gotta tap on unpin conversation, and as you can see that person has got unpinned. And let me unpin this person to chat settings and unpin conversation. Now if you want to know that can you unpin this My AI feature from Snapchat or not, to know the answer, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.